Want to learn how to backup or restore your Samsung phone and keep your data safe? You're in the right place. Here's exactly how to do it. Let's get started. Method 1. Using General Management Settings. First, go to the Settings, then scroll down a little bit. After that, tap on General Management. Now scroll down again. Next, tap on Reset. Here you'll find two options. One, temporary cloud backup, where you can back up your data for up to 30 days. And another one is external storage backup, where you will back up your data to an SD card or USB storage device. I'm going to choose the first one. To do that, tap on temporary cloud backup. After that, tap on backup data. Here it will ask you for your file permission. Now tap on more to see more files. Tap allow to go forward. After that, it will start backing up your data. Method 2. Using Accounts and Backup Settings. Open Settings again, then scroll down. After that, tap on Accounts and Backup. Here you'll find two options, Samsung Cloud and Google Drive. These are the external storage for your Samsung phone. If you want to back up your data on your Samsung Cloud, then tap on Backup Data under the Samsung Cloud. Now enable the files you want to back up and then tap on Backup Now from the below. It will start backing up your data on the Samsung Cloud. If you want to back up your data on Google Drive, then tap on Backup Data under the Google Drive. Before that, make sure to log in with your Gmail. Now select what you want to backup. Then tap Confirm. Next tap Manage Backup. That's it. That's it for today. If this video helped you out, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Catch you in the next one.